Welcome to Next Level Trading. On Monday, we are expecting CPI month on month. They are expecting the number to go down. I would be surprised that if that would be the case, because now we can see that since the start of this year, our CPI numbers started to go down a little for all these major economies. And I won't be surprised that if that would be the case for the chief, you would have expected a short term weakness in the chief and pull back again on Tuesday. They're expecting a rate to go down to the upside compared to the last time. Because it is 25 basis points, they are not actually increasing. We got the CPI for the last week, it was actually lower than the forecast, so that might trigger them to increase the interest rate for 25 basis points. Though for this rate for 25 might not be the next time. If they do that, OZ will be weaker. Now after that, we have Fed and RBA governors talking. That might be slight fluctuation because of these two speeches, one from the dollar and one from the OZ side. So just be careful with OZ. Actually, we have a lot of fluctuation up and down this week. Take everybody out from a bias and then move in the structure. Now after that, on Wednesday, we are expecting a non-farm employment change. A mobilization is coming to this number to go up, which means that I am expecting the DXY as well. I will explain this to you, how I was expecting giving this a slightly complex structure if market gives that. Otherwise, we are good to go to the upside towards 106 and above. This is this week. Then after that, we have BOC rate statement. They are planning to go not to change interest rate. I am expecting some sort of weakness coming to the CAD structurally as well. Once we go to CXY, we will talk about that, and we will see why we are expecting the weakness to the fundamental. That could actually is alignment to the structure to go downside. Then we are expecting the job openings. We are expecting this number to go down a little. This might start the consolidation, because remember, we are expecting, if market they are planning to the NFP to go to the upside, they will keep on dragging the dollar to the downside before that. So keep that in mind. We might have a messy week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, even on Thursday, and then on Friday they push it to the upside using this news of non-farm employment change. That change we will let you know on Wednesday. Just keep that in mind. This could be that they might doing just so you are confused. So you think that this is the end of the bias and end of the bulls, and then they will eventually push it through one side, because you can see here this was the last time. Last time the number was 517k compared to the forecast. They are expecting this time towards the 206, which is quite less. So I am not too going to be surprised this number to going to the way lower than the actual. And if that would be the case, you might expect that a market and investors to buy the dollar. This is something that we want to keep at the back of your head again, and I will clarify this more on the structure on Wednesday. Now on Thursday is probably going to be the most structural day. We're not expecting any volatility coming to the market due to the news, but it will potentially be the structural day if you want to do trading structures. Thursday will be the perfect day for you. And on Friday, we are expecting BOJ, the rate statement. I'm not expecting this rate statement to change anything else here, but after that, this one be the next one, and I am expecting some sort of a change. The CXY will be interesting this week. I'm expecting some sort of the CXY movement for going to be, the trades and the CXY pairs pull up and down, but I will explain how you are going to trade in them. Then GBP, we have GDP month on month this week. They are expecting this number to go up compared to the last time, which was negative 0.5%, it was, and its move to the upside would be the actual. But in all the cases, we will see before this news what market is gonna do, and will touch on that on Wednesday. Again, unemployment rate on the CAD, they're expecting this number to going to be up, which is not good for currency usually. And also in the employment change in the number compared to the last actual, it was 150k. They're expecting this number to be to the just 6k. You're gonna see a lot of damage to the CAD, okay, which means you are gonna see upside of the CAD alternatives. And then we will end of the week with NFP and unemployment rate. Again, we might get a surprise, so get ready for that. But again, we will touch back on Wednesdays to see once we have more clarity on the structures, okay. That's all for now from the fundamentals.